This is Vicki from the Windows Club. If Windows updates are stuck while downloading on your Windows computer, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the solutions. The first solution is to clear the contents of the Software Distribution folder. Search for Command Prompt in the Windows search bar. In the right pane, click on Run as Administrator corresponding to the application to open the elevated Command Prompt window. Now go to Solution 1 in the original article. Copy the first two commands and paste them in the elevated Command Prompt window. Hit Enter to run the commands and stop the services related to Windows updates. Now, press the Windows key and the R button together to open the Run window. In the Run window, type the command C:/Windows/SoftwareDistribution. Hit Enter to open the Software Distribution folder. Select all files in the Software Distribution folder and hit Delete to delete the files. Now return to Solution 1 of the original article and copy the last two commands. Paste then in the elevated Command Prompt window and hit Enter to run them. The second solution is to run the Windows Module Installer. Go to Solution 2 of the original article and copy the command line mentioned there. Now, paste it in the elevated Command Prompt window and hit Enter to run the command. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club and write your query. We will surely answer it. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.